While making a presentation at the 37th meeting of the UN AIDS Program Coordinating Board in Geneva, Switzerland in late October, Minister of Public Health Dr. George NORTON told of how the prevalence rate of HIV in the prison system was high. For the minister, the closed setting of the prison systems lends to that, and all measures should be taken to ensure the health of prisoners is protected.
I was at an international conference and, we discussed that. You have to prevent the spread of HIV.
But whether or not condoms are distributed in the prisons, sexual contact will occur, the minister explained.
The stats have proven that the prison population has twice the number of HIV-positive cases than the persons outside.
It is no secret that in the prison system, sodomy and rape occurs, and while the extent of the acts might not be fully known just yet, the public health minister wants to see condoms in the prisons. However, he is fully aware that he is not empowered to implement such a decision arbitrarily.
It is a policy decision that has to be made at a policy level. That was my take on it. I think it should be done, and it should be done as early as possible.
So you will be pushing for that?
Certainly.
If the authorities do have their way, there is every likelihood that they will have to contend with criticisms from the religious and other communities, and that is something Minister NORTON has taken into consideration.
There will be criticism about the termination of the medical termination of pregnancy. There will be criticism, you name it, you will have it. But the decision we want to make is in the best interest of the public. And that is what is guiding me. And I might be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'm subject to correction. But we want to have it as a policy decision.
In 2004, the distribution of condoms was something that was being looked at under the stewardship of then Health Minister Dr. Leslie Ramsamy. The idea evaporated in the face of much opposition from members of the cloth. The then chairman of the Ghana Council of Churches had stated that the lax security in the prisons leaves much to be desired, and that such was happening in the prisons because it was condoned. According to a 2001 Human Rights Watch report, sex do occur in prisons in addition to same-sex rapes. In some cases, there are negotiated sex for items and protection. Andel Duncan, HGP Nightly News.